Well, the van is back from the body shop. They did pretty good work. Got a new bumper, new fender. They resprayed the hood, although we got a few inclusions in there. New door. I had them leave the trim off because I've got to Raptor line that, and I'll have to pull the front bumper off and Raptor line that again. The door looks great. A new passenger mirror, new used passenger mirror. New sliding door, and again, the trim panel will go back on after I seal all the body clips. But overall, pretty good work. I'll also have to do Dynamat or Kilmat rather, and 3M thin slit insulation on the door and put the door panel back in and stuff. Airbags have all been replaced on the side impact and on the A-pillar. Curtain airbag. Inside's a bit of a mess. They offered to clean it up more, but I got it back a day early. Figured we'd do the cleaning ourselves. Got some weather stripping and other stuff left to put on. But overall, it's fixed. Sliding door operates much nicer than it did before. Got new driver and passenger seat belts because those squibs fired. The body lines are also a lot straighter than they were before. Being an Amazon van, it had taken some light impacts on the sliding door and the driver door, or rather the passenger door, and if you recall, if you've watched other videos, it had a bullet hole in the side right about here. So overall the van looks better than it did to begin with. So we're back on the road. New tires coming up here shortly, and I'm going to do the 5,000 mile review on the rip kit from Agile Off-Road, which was supposed to be a 500 mile review, but with the trip and the accident I've been busy. So that's that. Van's back. A lot of work to do to get it back to being complete, but overall it looks great.